Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. The only way to beat a slot machine is to own a slot machine. And then you can beat it. But there is another way, it's called Hammer Time! We're using our Chronos 2.1 slow motion high speed camera to film this in 1,000 frames a second. We could have filmed it quite a bit slower, but you lose resolution. And we're using ambient light by doing this outside. So yeah, you can beat a slot machine with a sludge hammer. Yes, we did here. Alright, what do you think? Have you ever wanted to do this to a slot machine when you're in a casino? I have at least once. Alright, so really quick, why are we doing this? So I've had this slot machine for several years. I moved it one time from the studio. Actually, I moved it twice. I moved it from home to the studio, and then I moved it from the studio down to work to show the guys, hey, check out this slot machine. And then it never worked since then. It was screaming something in Japanese about being stolen or something. I couldn't reset it. It would not reset. I went online, I looked through the instructions, I have all the keys, I have everything. It would not reset. It would just, you plug it in, and it screams, I'm being stolen, help, I'm being stolen, help, I'm being stolen. So I decided the solution was Hammer Time! So yeah, I know that takes a little bit away from the video to tell you that inside baseball there, but still, this is how you beat a slot machine, with a sludge hammer. Alright, so what do you think? Good, bad, You ever want to do this yourself? Yeah, I already said I do. Leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.